Yeah, I played myself some 35-degree golf in the past. Not a lot, but I have been there. Don't need to do it anytime soon, thankfully. George is out on the weather deck. Talk about that, George. It's beautiful out there today.
Beautiful out there today. I'm surprised the greens are green.
Yeah.
Because it has been very dry, guys.
They might be
nice.
a little fast.
Yeah.
I think they certainly are. But we do have some of that much needed rain on the way later on tonight. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for not one, not two, but 3 rounds of showers in sight. It's also blue, not quite as warm weather in view, but still warmer than average. And this view is sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. 74 here in Grand Rapids. The average is 48, and that ties our record here in Grand Rapids in 1907, but we were outside of our 3-degree threshold by 6 degrees here today. There's something about Tuesdays. I'm gonna have to buckle down on Mondays when I come on in, but 74 degrees, the warmest since November 10th, and just one out of the past, 13 or 14 days where we've been warmer than average. Updating the Muskegon temperature, it actually made 74 between hours. That is a new record. Look at all of those set back in 1907. Not quite in Holland, and not quite in Kalamazoo. And again, we tied the record here in Grand Rapids. And this is our first 70-degree day of the year. It's come about 2 weeks earlier than average, which is on April 5, and certainly earlier than last year. Not the earliest on record, which was back in 1985. Up through yesterday, we had nearly 80% of the possible sunshine. That's 2 days in a row now where we've been #1 for the sunniest starts to March. Not going to be the case here next several days. Lots of clouds, and eventually we're going to see these showers as that storm system takes a track up over Lake Superior. Here's the rain at 7 p.m. and that's going to overspread all of the region tonight. This is 7 a.m., so you're going to have some wet roads for your morning commute, but the sun will come out later on in the day, and temperatures will recover up into the mid-60s. Quiet here tomorrow night, but late in the day Thursday, another round of rain coming up from the south, and it will rain with some wind and maybe some thunder and lightning. That will be Thursday night, and then that will push out on Friday. On Saturday, we'll have another round come on in, but that again won't be until later on in the afternoon, and then that's overnight. That will also push out on Sunday morning. We'll see enough rain with all of these. About a quarter, maybe a third of an inch of rain here overnight tonight. We reset the amount of rain, and then most of it will come here tomorrow night and early on Friday. I should say Thursday night and early on Friday, maybe an inch to an inch and a half. And then that final round for Saturday night, we're looking at about another quarter to a half an inch. All told, we could see a couple of inches of rain, and we could certainly use it. Tomorrow, mainly morning showers, maybe some late day sun, but it will be windy. Highs will range from 57 in Ludington to 63 there in Holland. Up north, you can expect morning showers. May take a little bit longer to clear your skies out late in the day. Highs will be in the low 60s, maybe even as warm as 67 down in Greenville. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll see our highs in the mid and upper 60s. Morning showers, but certainly some rather windy conditions out of the south. 13 on your side forecast. From the 60s down into the 40s on Friday as the winds lighten up, back into the mid-50s on Saturday, and then closer to that average high for Sunday and next Monday of 48, and then yet another round of some showers next Tuesday night and Wednesday with highs recovering into the mid and upper 50s.